Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and my little kitchen. We had a frost yesterday and snow as well. So I harvested my cauliflower, but we're not ready to eat it, so I'm going to preserve it. I'll blanch and freeze the cauliflower. As you can see, this is what I have harvested. So, and I'll show you a picture of the basket of everything I harvested because I also did some leeks. But these have been sitting for about half an hour in some water with white distilled vinegar in it. So if there's any creepy crawlies on there, it'll force them out. So all I'm going to do now is chop it up. Right, so this is all I'm doing with the cauliflower. I think that's my biggest one. But I'm just going to cut it. Cut away the bottom bit. And cut it into florets. And then I will blanch them. So that's all I'm doing now. And the same with the broccoli. So I'm going to be freezing them together, because I'm going to blanch them together and I'm going to freeze them together. It's up to you how much you want to go down and take off the stem. I want to take quite a bit off, so I have done. But this is the first time I have ever... Oh no, I grew a couple of little cauliflowers last year. But I've had a bit more this year. I think it's mainly because of them doing an autumn crop. I think that's been a lot better because as you can see, there's no bug damage on them, and you do get a lot of caterpillar damage and bug damage and that over summer. You don't in autumn. So I think from now on I'm just going to be growing them for autumn crops, or as the Americans say, fall. Where's me? Oh, there it is. Now, you can't see it from where you are, but I have got a pan, largest pan on the stove, coming up to temperature. It's a pan of water, which hopefully soon will be boiling. And that's just the kale that I'm going to use up tonight. And this. So I've shown you how to blanch things before. As soon as your water's boiled, plop them in. I've blanched them in 2 lots. The second lot is still cooling down in a bowl. But I'm just going to put these on a tray. You can see how vibrant they look now colour wise. So I'll just put them on a tray. Put them in the freezer for about half an hour, 2 hours. I've even forgot them at times and left them overnight. And then put them in a bag once they're frozen through. It's not much, and the second batch is about the same amount. It's not much, but it's something. It's something that hasn't cost anything. I haven't had to go to the shop, buy it or whatever. So I'm quite happy with this. Thank you.